Hi everyone, this is Faxon. Today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy princess bangs by using the Sailor Moon wig. For the first step, I took a teasing comb and teased all of the hair in the front of the wig where my bangs are. I leave a little unteased hair around the edges to smooth over everything when I'm done. Now that the bangs have volume, I'm going to part them down the middle. Next, I spray them in the general shape I want and blow dry them in place. Now that the hair in the front of the wig is standing up, I'm going to take my glue and extra wets and create a hairline. I saturate the hair and the wig where I'm going to place it and stick it down holding it with a clip. I have a thin piece of tulle attached to the inside of the wig that I stick the hair down to, almost like a lace front. I use the same method inside the part to create smooth, voluminous bangs and cover up the frizz. Once the glue has dried, I spray this hair in place as well. I smooth out the hair on top and start trimming the bangs to the length I want. When I have the bangs trimmed, I use the hairspray and a hairdryer to gently curl the bangs inward, giving them a perfect swoop. I release the hairline from the wig head, and it's done! Thank you so much for watching. Check out my channel for more tutorials, CMVs, blooper reels, and more. For more info on wig commissions as well as other tutorials, please visit my website, faxoncosplay.com. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time!